we have a dirty little secret for you. Is that we don't like rules.
Yeah, we hate rules. In fact, we even broke the law multiple times for over a year.
Carrefour created the supermarket in France. So they created the model that comes with supermarket, that is standardized food.
We did our research and we found out that food quality, instead of improving over the last decades, it had been actually declining. And especially on fruits and vegetables, which are supposed to be the top of food quality in people's mind. So what does it mean to be a hybrid variety? Because it's really important to understand the core issue, to understand what we did here. So hybrid means it has been made by humans, by agrochemical people working on seeds, in order to produce as much volume per square meter in a field.
In 1981, a law has been passed by, let's summary, by Monsanto, that banned all fruits and vegetables that did not meet the same criteria as standardized hybrid fruits and vegetables.
In the 20th century, 90% of existing farmable varieties had disappeared, like forever. We can't get them back. It's impossible. Challenge is when you have the idea, how do you actually make it happen? So we knew we couldn't do it the legal way. We had to find the noisiest way, the most unconventional way, so the illegal way.
If you want to change a law, to break a law, you have to propose a law, a new thing. We had to search for
to
people
find them that didn't want to be found.
Exactly.
Because these guys, so it's really not the job of an advertising agency, you're going to say, to find a supply, to make the supply chain, to find producers, to go into the field and find them. But actually, if we wanted to do this, we had to be face to face with them. These guys, they are the resistance. So the fact that they saw we were going to portray them as heroes, that it was going to be black and dark and illegal and secret, it's what got them to join our fight and to believe in us.
We will cover your stores with black. Ugh. Are you sure it's not really the color of fresh produce? And this is the luxury color, so it's not really happy and blah, blah, blah. But finally, we convinced them that the goal was to change a law. That's why it was relevant to be black.
They had to help us design the campaign so that it would actually make a change. But we also had to design the campaign in order to help them. We signed a 5-year contract with the producers to guarantee them that we would buy their production for at least 5 years at a fixed price.
Just to say to them, we don't know if we can change the law, but for sure, during 5 years, we will buy and we will sell. Everything was not all positive, because a few days before the launch, this is really the backstory, it almost didn't happen. And because of that, so remember we called commando mode, stay hidden. Well, we had printed illegal seed bags to give to the client in the Carrefour stores. But what we didn't know was that the printer was also printing things for a catalog maker, a seed catalog maker in France. So yes, it was the printer of, let's say, Monsanto catalog. So they heard about the idea like a few days before the launch, and they threatened us with lawsuits, and they said, okay, if you really do it, if you really launch it, we are going to come and break your stores. So, but we didn't give a shit. We were already, in it, and so yes.
It really changed the perception of the brand of itself. they said, okay, maybe for once we are not the bad guys, we can be the good guys. Yeah. So he said, okay, next.
For 30 years, they were doing some good things, and people were like, it's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing. And then they are doing one good thing, and everyone is applauding. When you build a platform, for example, Act for Food, then you can feed it with lots of different ideas. It calls Act for Food, so every amazing creative ideas that you can find that is an act for food, it's great. First the platform, and then feed it with creativity. I think it will be much more easier.
It's not a case study about just one campaign. It's a case study about how it kickstarted the change of a corporate strategy.